Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Feedly to a dark theme. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to have Feedly be a darker theme just because you don't want that light to be as bright when you're reading at night. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Feedly account. Next, you're going to click on your profile name on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Appearance. So here you have a couple of options. You could actually go ahead and change it to System Preference, where it's going to adjust depending on the time of day. And you could also set it to a dark theme. So just select Dark Theme, and there you have it. You've now changed your Feedly appearance to a dark theme. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Feedly appearance to a dark theme. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.